Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Vicuña. That's a Tagalog teacher to English. The first we are learning is basic Tagalog, like ako. Ako means in English is I am or me. And as this, if I want to make a little conversation, it will be a long time to do it. So, let's move on to the next Tagalog. The next is, how about let's try tayo. Tayo means us. Like in the conversation, there's some conversations are like this. Tayong dalawa. That means the two of us. That. Next, we're going to move on to next. So, if you want to memorize it, just okay? Just have to listen to what I'm saying. The second one is siya. Siya means you. So, if you hear some conversation like this, siya ang kaibigan mo. That means hold on. I'm gonna take on another conversation. That's an ugly conversation. Like this. No, I forgot. Siya is her or his. That is. And siya is his, her, she, him, like that. And he, like that. And if you hear a conversation like this, siya ang kaibigan ko. That means she is my best friend. That is the conversation. Now, let's move on to the next. The next one is mahal kita. Mahal kita means I love you. That is more of a cute little conversation. Some lovers will do this. I love you. Then it turns into the boyfriend. The boys is going to mahal kita like that. So it's gonna get different. So bye bye. And please no bad comments. Okay? I'm just 9. Okay? 9 years old. I do all that stuff. Okay? And please subscribe, like, and share.